Alright, if your Bluetooth is connected but there's no sound playing, here's a quick fix you can try. First, play anything from your iPhone, it can be a song or a YouTube video, and let it keep playing in the background. While it's playing, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Now look at the audio player section. Beside that, you'll see an AirDrop-like icon. Tap on that, then change it to Connected Bluetooth Device. This forces your iPhone to route the audio directly to your Bluetooth device instead of the phone speaker or getting stuck with no output. After that, check if the sound starts coming through your Bluetooth device. If it doesn't switch right away, just pause and play again or quickly reconnect your Bluetooth device. If you're still not getting any sound, the next thing you should do is restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button together. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Once your phone restarts, reconnect your Bluetooth device and test the audio again. This usually clears out any small glitches and gets everything working normally again. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one.